Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to mark as unread on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark as unread on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app and you will find your chat box section over here. Now in order to mark as unread, you will be required to mark as unread already a written message or the message which you have already checked. So in order to do that, tap and hold on any message which you have already written it on the past, and you can see when the green tick mark appears at the profile picture at the left side, three dotted icon will be available for us at the top right. Tap on it and then the mark as unread option will be available for us. Tap on that mark as unread. You can do that for any message which you have already checked and read it. So let's do that for a chat box of the friend. So let's tap on any chat box over here and let's tap on the three dotted icon at the top right, and you can see guys the mark as unread option is available for us on a message box which we had checked earlier. So let's tap on mark as unread and you can see guys the chat has been marked as unread on Telegram, and the blue dot icon will be available showing that we have not written it. So with that being said guys, this is how to mark as unread on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.